Hey guys, Jared from H2A. I'm going to go over how I modified my Safariland 6390 holster to fit the RMR HD. So this is specific to at least my Glock 45, so in a Glock 19 6390 RDS holster. From the factory, it does not work. Check Trijicon's website, they claim it does, and other people like Sage Dynamics have mentioned that it does. He has video proof. But I'll show you. So here's a stock one, unmodified. And you can see that the ALS system does not lock from the factory. So what I did is modified mine, so you can see that mine does lock. All I did was add some heat to the locking block in here. I did not take away any material or do anything like that. So I'm going to demonstrate real quick. Just take a heat gun. This is just from Lowe's or Home Depot. And not a lot, like about 5 seconds on setting 1 should do it. Alright, so warmed it up. I can feel that it's physically warm. I'm just going to insert the gun. Make sure it's seated in there well and let it sit for a few seconds. And then come back and see if it locks. Alright guys, we're back. I only waited probably about 10 seconds or so, but as you can see now, this is the stock holster. It was unmodified. All I did was add about 5 seconds of heat, place the gun in there, let it cool down so it forms to the form factor of that RMR HD, and now I'm good to go. I have a complete locked holster, and obviously the hood's an extra layer of retention that you don't have to worry about, but as far as the SLS there, so there you go.